Good evening. You join us from Gravesend as we make our way back to Tower Bridge. Both the Waverley and London look majestical with the night lights. Grandpa is in his element, his wee face is all lit up. Enjoying yourself, Dad?
Yeah. And we're at the barrier. A couple of minutes time. Barrier. 2 minutes to get to the Thames line.
Look at the skyline. There's the Thames barrier. Going through it.
Around that wall point, which is almost a 180-degree bend in the river. Before we get up there, we'll be passing the cable car.
Waverley underneath the cable cars. And we're underneath. Look there. It's very pretty.
All that side. Bank to its left of exit come round Blackpool Point, that will all be over on our starboard side.
Clouds are making a face, look. The clouds next to the moon are making a face. Look, 2 eyes, a nose and a smiley face. Can you see
I
it?
see the moon now, yeah.
Yeah, but
On the bottom plate. Lesson 4 available from the souvenir shop, which once again you'll find downstairs in the main deck, adjacent to the entrance to the ship's dining saloon. Thank you very much.
I could listen to that man all day. His accent, I just love it. Up in the background, and this is that cruise ship, Amadea, yeah.
Port side, you can just see the mouth of Deptford Creek on the port side there.
Beautiful moon today. It's a full moon. Grandpa and a full moon. There's a joke there.
What did you say?
Grandpa and the full moon.
Yeah.
Now, shall I crack that joke? No, I won't. I'll be good. Grandpa enjoying himself.
And we'll continue to start London ahead of us. Got summer highs on the port side. We're leaving Canary Wharf behind us at Lanos. As we come out, this is the lighthouse
The
on
engine is
the
making
starboard
noise.
side.
That's the shard there. we're going under. Yay! Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, Waverley will shortly be coming along the Thames London. All passengers start and have all tickets ready for collection at the back. In the interest of safety, we ask all passengers to please be aware that there may be substitution at the sit there.
Tower of London there.
If possible, ladies and gentlemen, it would be greatly appreciated if you could move to the port or left-hand side of the ship. This will aid us in getting to the right there, and will be beneficial to all of you, as we'll be able to get you off as quickly as possible. If you book for the Southend connection, please. Thank you all very much for sailing aboard Waverley today. We very much hope you've enjoyed your cruise with us, and we hope to see you again. Just a reminder that Waverley is open sailing on the Thames until a week on Sunday. That's Sunday, October the 8th. If you would like to sail aboard Waverley again this season, I do strongly advise doing it in advance as soon as possible, as many of Waverley sailings have already sold out or are close to selling out. Thank you all once again, and have a very good evening and good night to you all.
The bridge is coming down. Stand there, Dad, I'll take a photo of you. Do you enjoy that?
Yeah, very much.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tower of London. And then the beautiful bridge on the side. We've got the ropes there. The guy's pulling another rope, which is over there. That guy beavering away with a machine there. Getting us closer to shore. Inching closer. And that's it, really. Yeah, that's it. No more. All done. Grandpa's ready for public transport, aren't you, Dad?
What?
You ready for public transport now?
Yeah. Ready for the crossing off again.
Yeah.